Okay, so welcome back again in our another lesson. So today, just know we are going to focus on the basics of forex trading. Okay, as a beginner, you have to know what forex trading is. Okay, before you beginning to do any other thing, right? So before I continue. So don't forget to subscribe, like, okay, comment. All right. So the more you subscribe and you like, so I'll begin making more content of this. So for those who don't know forex trading and also interested in learning it, okay. So today, as we continue, so we're going to focus on only sorry. We are going to focus on only on 4 things today, right? So 4 things today. Okay, so we'll be doing a lot of contents concerning these different topics. Okay, so today we want to focus on 4 things. Number 1, it is what is forex trading? Okay, because it's a common question everyone normally asks. Okay, and before you are teaching someone all this, so he or she has to know what forex trading is. Okay, then secondly, what is traded in forex? What is traded in foreign exchange? All right, what is traded in foreign exchange? Then thirdly, what are currencies? Then lastly, which currencies are traded? So they are 4 questions for today. But for the first thing you have to know is that, okay, before we take in the last 3, so we first going to focus on what the hell is forex trading. Okay, so first of all, forex trading, this is the exchange of currencies. Okay, so you can get somewhere where to write. Okay, those who are having some notebook somewhere, you can write this. Okay, forex trading, this is the exchange of currencies. Okay, so what do I mean by exchange of currencies? Actually, it's now done by everyone and it's a daily thing. Okay, in daily life, so we are using currencies. Okay, so each country has a currency, right? So what I mean by that, so for example, if you leave your country and go to another country, okay, now like for me, who's a Ugandan? Okay, I leave my country from Uganda, let's say I go to America. Okay, so remember, I'm having my own currency, UGX, okay, Uganda shillings, right? So whenever I travel to another country like America, okay, so I would like to exchange the currency of mine into dollar. Okay, so like for me to access anything in that country, because like I can't use my UGX, okay, UGX like to do anything in that country, so meaning I have to exchange my UGX to US dollar. Okay, so let me hope you guys have got that. So meaning forex trading is the exchange of currencies. So you change your currency to another one. So meaning that means you are buying and selling. Okay, buying and selling. Okay, that is it. So you are buying, okay, another currency, then you sell the other one. All right, so that is it. So meaning you change your currency to another currency. So already you have done what we call forex trading. Okay, so that is it. So there's nothing anymore. Okay, so it's the exchange of currencies. All right, so let me hope you have got that. Okay, so secondly, what is traded in foreign exchange? Okay, already we have known, okay, that like currency, that already we have known that it is exchange of currencies. Okay, so now we want to know what is traded in foreign exchange. Okay, so the simple answer is money. Okay, money is traded. Okay, that is it. So there's nothing there's nothing. Okay, there's nothing apart from money, because we are trading money. Okay, yeah, so that is the answer. What is traded in foreign exchange? It is money. Money is being traded. Okay, so you buying this, selling that, buying and selling that. Okay, so you buy another currency, to another currency, you sell it like that, okay? So meaning you can be making money on both sides, okay? On buying the currency and selling the currency. So you are making money on both things, all right? So let's say you're buying British pound, okay? British pound, then like you want dollar to fall, okay? So that is it. So meaning there are two things there, but both people can be making money. So what is traded? It is money. Money is traded in foreign exchange, okay? So then what are currencies? So, okay, what are currencies? Because like also you have to know that before you going any more further, you have to know what are currencies, okay? So what I mean by currencies, already I'd explained at first that forex trading is exchange of currencies, okay? So what are currencies? So currencies, probably these are the okay, currencies are found in each country, so that's already money, okay? So that each country represents or has its own money, okay, and it has a name, okay? It has a name, right? So for example, I've talked about like US, okay? US, it is using dollar, okay? US is using dollar, okay? Then we have euro, okay? We have euro, we have British pound, okay? British pound already, that is it, okay? Then we have Japanese yen, so they use yen, okay? Then you have like Switzerland, for example, okay? Switzerland, what they use, so they're having their own currency. So each country has its own currency, okay? Like Canada has, okay, also uses dollar, right? Yeah, uses dollar. So that is, so meaning each currency has what? Each country has its own currency. So meaning that's what traders are trading, okay? That's what we're normally using on the market. So we trade the money, and money comes from where? From the currency, okay? So each country has its own currency. So let me hope you have understood that, right? So from the beginning, basics, okay? Forex, what is Forex? So already you have already learned that. So meaning if you know what Forex trading is, probably already you are now going to the next thing, okay? That anything which, okay, I bring here and explain to you, you will now know, okay? Then like for example, if I take you on a chart, okay? For example, like this chart here. Sorry for going ahead, but have to explain to you everything. So for those who don't know, they have to know this, all right? So for example, you see now here, okay? So this is already the chart, okay? So if you don't know, for example, what forex trading is, so probably like you don't know what is this, okay? So you say, what is this? Is this a mathematics, is geography, or anything? So you're probably confused, okay? So I mean, you don't know what is this, okay? You don't know anything, okay? Here, you don't know anything. So, but if you learn from the beginning what forex trading is, probably if I say that this is gold, a stroke, a US dollar, so probably you can know that these are currencies, okay, which I'm talking about, okay? So that is it. And here I've told that we are buying and selling, okay? We are buying and selling, so you have to know that, okay? Yeah. So probably in our next topic, so which I'll discuss like how do you buy, right? How do you buy and how do you sell, right? So cause then let me say there'll be those who know something concerning buying and selling, but there are those who don't know how do we buy, okay? How do we sell, and why do we sell, and why do we buy, right? And probably how do I benefit, okay? Where's my profit? So we all know that. So for today, probably today is enough. So let's wait for the next topic. So we shall discuss about that. But kindly don't forget to subscribe and like. All right. So thank you for today. See you next time. Remember, I told you you're in the way for your success. So never stop. Okay. Keep on grinding anything you see which has value for you. All right. So never quit. Okay, so this is something very important. Okay, it's only 9 out of 100%, 99% will quit and 1% will continue. All right, so if you're among the 1%, probably you continue. Follow everything which I'll be giving you from the start until the end. Okay, then slowly you'll catch up. All right, you will catch up. Okay, so thank you for today. See you next time.